I'm mixed with Indian, Puerto Rican, Mexican, and this is my weed stuck.
She said she mixed with what? Hell no, she mixed with black Negro shit. You can't say you not, bitch.
So yo, I just came from Beating Highness, and they gave me some beans with a little cabbage and cornbread.
This bitch got that food from Salvation Army for me.
So y'all, my weed is 175, and this is Remy. Remy all day. All day. And this costs $175. So all you hoes need to eat it.
Remy, bro, $1.75 Milky Way.
So I just came back from the nail salon, and they hooked my toes up.
Thoroughbred, soft skin, pussy just right. Yeah. Thoroughbred, soft skin, pussy just right. Yeah. Thoroughbred, soft skin, pussy just right.
Gangsta, Brazil.
Knowing your ass is black.